Hi children, good morning. Today also we are talking about triangle, similarity of triangle. Before last module also I told you about similarity of triangle. Now here I am not talking about full because everything we explained. Some important question you can see. What is the vertical pole of length 6 centimeter cast shadow 4 meter long on the ground and the same time tower cast a shadow 20 meter long, 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. It is exactly a different question. Here 4 questions are there. It is repeated question. Past paper you can see like this question, repeated question. Textbook also questions are here. Exercise also, example also. One question. Anyway, listen here. How can we do this one? Vertical pole of length 6 centimeter. Here we need two triangles and we have to prove similar. Two triangles are similar. If two angles are similar, we can say the sides are proportional. That property you can apply. Okay. Now we can try this one. We can draw here two triangle we can draw here. Let me okay. Answer. Vertical pole of length. This is the vertical pole. 6 centimeter. It is vertical means 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And to the ground 90 degree. Suppose this is ABC. This 90 degree vertical pole 6 centimeter is given. Shadow here. This is the shadow. 4 meter long. 6 meter no. 4 meter. That is 4 meter long shadow. One triangle is given here. One more triangle can be made because we have to find the height of the tower. So here is the tower and here is the shadow. Again right triangle. Give another name PQR. PQR. This is 90 degree. How can we make the two triangles similar? Then our problem is over. Okay, fine. Angle B is equal to angle Q. 90 degree. One more angle we need. A is in there. Here it is. You can see same time. Ground and shadow at the same time same. That means angle of altitude, angle of elevation will be same. The sun is here. We can say altitude. So here angle of elevation. This will be same. Angle of elevation, if you are taking any angle C, that means theta, theta, that will be same angle of elevation. Angle C is equal to angle R. I think it is clear. Theta and then you can. Now what to do from triangle? From triangle, you can see like this. From triangle ABC. Look. From triangle ABC and sorry, triangle PQR. Right triangle I can say triangle PQR. What is given? The angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle Q. That is 90 degree. Correct? Now angle C is equal to angle C is equal to angle R. Why? Angle C is equal to angle R. Tell me why. Because angle of elevation, same thing, same time. Angle of elevation. From the sun, the shadow is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation are its same. So to triangle we can say Triangle ABC, right triangle ABC congruent, similar. We cannot say congruent. Similar to right triangle. What the right triangle? PQR. Okay, two triangles are similar. Now what happened? The two triangles are similar. Sides are proportional. Now this is 6 centimeter. PQ, we don't know height of the tower. H. We have to find out this is 28 meter, 28 meter. Now we got the answer. 28 meter here. Now what we need? H. We can say H by, that means corresponding side, H by 6. That is equal to 28 by 4. Yes. Now we got H here. What is 28 by 4? 7 4s are 28. Now H is equal to cross multiplication. So we got the answer. H is equal to 6 into 7. Correct? $42. We got the answer now. 6 into 7. 42 meters. That is the answer. I think you understood. Any doubt, please ask me. If anybody have any doubt, please ask. Clear? Please look this one, please. So now check second question. I think almost same. Here look. What is the second question? Please. All of you read the question, second question, please. A 50-meter high tower casts a shadow of 24 meters long, and at the same time a telephone pole casts a short shadow of 60 meters long. Find the height of the telephone pole. Same question. 50-meter height of tower, then long shadow at the same time, and at the telephone pole cast shadow of 60 meters long. Find the height of the telephone pole. No problem. This is very easy, I think, so there is no confusion. Please. I think you understood the question. We can draw the figure. Now listen here, listen. 50-meter high tower casts a shadow. Here tower, I am drawing the tower. This is a tower, perpendicular. This is shadow here, 50 meter. High tower casts a shadow 24 meter. 24 meter is here. At the same time, a telephone pole casts a shadow 60 meter long. Find the height of the telephone pole. Okay, it is almost same, no difference. So we have to find out two triangle ABC. ABC. This is PQR. PQR. 90 degree, 90 degree. Then angle of elevation is same. Angle of elevation is equal to R. We can say angle B is equal to angle Q. 90 degree, both 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Then angle C is equal to angle R, angle of elevation. The sun is same, altitude of sun is same. That is why angle of elevation is same. Some altitude of the sun is same. Here altitude, that means angle of elevation same. So as before angle of elevation, we can see triangle ABC, right triangle ABC similar to right triangle PQR. PQR. So we can say this QR is given, I think so. Shadow is 16 meter. 16 meter. We can say AB by 24. That means AB by, sorry, not AB by 24. AB by PQ. Not AB by 24. Okay. Because corresponding sides are proportional. AB by PQ, we don't know. That is equal to 24. The corresponding sides are proportional, 16. So PQ is equal to 24. PQ we don't know. AB we know. AB is 15. 15 by PQ we don't know. 15 by PQ, that is equal to 24 by 16. Yes. Now we can divide by 8. So 3 8s are 24. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are, so PQ is equal to. So from here we are getting PQ is equal to. Okay. PQ is equal to cross multiplication, 15 times 2 by 3. That means it's 3 and 15. 5 3s are 15. That means 5 into 10 meter, we got the answer. I think all of you understood. All of you, please take the screenshot. I think you understood this. Any doubt, please ask me. Question 1 and 2 same. No difference. Now check the next question, please. All of you. Check the next question. All of you, please. Now, look. A street light bulb is on a pole 6 meter above the level street. If a woman height 1.5 cast a shadow 3 meter, find how far she is away from the base of the pole. A little difference. For this question, a little difference. Can you tell me what is the difference? All of you, please listen. And talking third question. A street light of bulb is on a pole 6 meter above the level street. If a woman height 1 cast a shadow 3 meter, Find how far she is away from the base of the pole. Here, instead of sun, what is the street light bulb is there? Okay. So how can do this one? Is now here the answer. Answer of third question. I think you understood, all of you understood the question. A street light bulb is fixed. Suppose this is the bulb. And on a pole of 6 meter above the level state, 6 meter. No confusion. Everything meter. If a woman of a height 1.5 cast a shadow 3 meter, here is the woman. This is 3 meter. Her shadow is here. 3 meter. Here 3 meter is the shadow. Now join the triangle. You are getting the triangle, right? You can give the name. A, B, C, D, E. D is the woman. This is D. D is the woman. Let me make this try 90 degree. You know it is 90 degree. You know it is 90 degree. What do you have to find out here? How far she is away from the base of the pole. That means this is her distance. B, that means X. So here also we have to get two triangles. Okay, one big triangle and small triangle. All of you please be careful. When I say right triangle, yes, from the right triangle, the big triangle ABC and small triangle, that also right triangle, ABCDE, DEC. From right triangle, DEC. Okay, similarity we can work out. We can find out similarity using similarity. From triangle ABC, AB by D. Yes. AB by D. That is equal to, okay, AB by, two triangles are similar. How? 90 degree from triangle ABC, from triangle ABC and sorry, from triangle ABC, angle B, that is equal to, from DEC, from ABC and DEC, angle D, yes, 90 degree. Then angle C, common, angle C, that is common. Angle C is equal to angle C, common. I think all of you understood the definition, the reason. Angle B is equal to angle D, that is 90 degree, and angle C is equal to angle C, that is common. Now two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC. DEC. What similarity? A similarity. A similarity. Understood? A similarity. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So we can say AB by D. AB by D is equal to, now be careful, big triangle BC, that means X plus C. All of you please note this one. Here it is, big triangle side BC, BC by EC. DC by AC. So how much is that? AB by D, can I say 6 by 3? AB by D is equal to 6 by 3. Yes. Now what is BC? BC is S plus 3. Be careful that S plus 3 by EC is 3. From here we can say, we can solve this one. S plus 3 is equal to, what is this by 3? No need to carry in this one. What happened here? Okay. The question woman height of 1.5 meter. We took 3. I don't know from where we got this one. Shadow 3 meter. And okay. Suppose I am making this is instead of 1.53 meter. What happened? I think all of you understood the mistake here. 1.5 meter. 3 meter woman not possible. So better change that. Okay, sorry. Please change this one. Not 3 meter. It is 1.5 meter. You have to inform me now. So here, 6 by 1.5 meter. 6 by 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. That is S plus 3 by 3. S plus 3 by 3. Here also I am changing. Please change. All of you change this one. 1.5. 1.5. Okay. 1.5. So 6 by 1.5. S plus 3 by 3. Okay, 6 by 1.5 means 3. 1.5 double is 3. 3 into 2, 6. That means 4. This is 4. 4 5s are 6. So what we got? S plus 3 is equal to, see we can do different. S plus 3 is equal to 12. S plus 3 is equal to 12. S plus 3 is equal to 12. So what is X is equal to? Linear equation on S plus 3 is equal to 4 into 3, 12. So X is equal to 12 minus 3. That is 9 meter. So X means, what is that? Find how far she is away from the base of the board. She got X is equal to 9 meter, correct? If a woman 6 meter above the level, if a woman fixes a pole 6 meter above, is a pole of 6 meter above the level of street. If the woman height want to cast a shadow 3 meter. Okay? Correct, exactly correct. 9 meter. Please, all of you, please note it and make the correction. What I did here, 1.5 meter, not 3 meter. Understood? All of you understood or not? Okay. Now one more question is there. Let me ask. Now listen. Next question. It is little bit hard question. Some working we have to do. It is there. All of you please write this question. A girl of height 90 centimeters walking away from the base of lamp of speed 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow up to 4 seconds. Here is one confusion here. Here centimeter is given. We have to change centimeter into meter. And here speed is given. The lamp is 3 points above the ground. Find the length of the shadow up to 4 seconds. Walking away from base of lamp was at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. That means we need distance. You know, distance is equal to speed into time. 1 second, 1 meter. So how many seconds? 4 seconds. 4 into 1.2. Speed into distance by time. Distance into distance by time is speed. So distance is equal to speed into time. Correct? Now, let AB denote the lamp post and CD the height of the girl. CD the girl. CD is the girl. After walking second away from the lamp post, this point 3, this is a figure. From the figure, you can see that D is the shadow of the girl. You can see D is shadow of the girl. This is the shadow D. AB is the lamp post. Now we can mark what is given there. Okay. What is given there? One thing, a girl height is 9 centimeter. So height 9 centimeter means 90 by 100. That means 0.9 meter. Make everything in the same unit. Okay. Now, please. 90 centimeter. A girl of height 90 centimeter. This is 90 centimeter. That means 0.9 meter. Correct? Then speed of 1, 2 at the lamp. If the lamp is 3 points above, that is correct. 3 points. This is the lamp. 3.6 meter. Everything meter. First meter, centimeter into meter we converted. Above the ground. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, what is the length of her shadow? She is here. So this distance, BD, we need. But the length is not given. Before that, the length is given. So we can find out distance is equal to formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is the distance? What is the distance? BD. That is the distance. After 4 seconds, 90.9 meters long from a base of the lamppost, speed of 1.2 meter. Go the find the length of our shadow after 4 seconds. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Then the speed is 0 for 1, 2. What is that? At the speed of 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter into. Yes, meter per second. 1.2 meter per second in 4 seconds. That means 4.8. 4.8 meter. 4.8 meter. That is the BD distance is equal to 4.8 meter. Correct? Now we got this one. This BD we got. How much is BD? 4.8 meter. Now as before we can do our confusion is over, our trap is over now. As before we can say ABD, ABC, ABCD, no, ABE from triangle ABE. Triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE. Are you following or not? Hello, my children, are you following? Okay. So here I can write, here I am writing. Triangle ABE, right triangle ABE. Similar to triangle, tell me right triangle CDE, correct? So we can find out the solution now. 3.6 divided by corresponding side CD, A, B, C, D, E, CD. CD is equal to, okay, fine. 3.6 by CD, that is equal to, again, here this 4.8 plus X by, look here, take this is X. Find the length of her shadow, that means X or DE. So that is X. 3.6 by CD, that is equal to, what is happening? 4.8 by 4.x plus X by X. But why CD? CD is given. We cannot find out without that. What is this? That is correct. You tell me. That is correct. CD. What is CD is equal to? CD, we can give the value. CD is equal to 0.9. 0.9. Now we got the answer. We can find out the answer. 36 by 9. 4 nines are 36. So what we are getting? I am writing here. 4 nines. We can cut this one for 1 decimal place. So 4. Here 4 we are getting. 36 by 9. Decimal place cancel. That means 4 nines are 36. So 4, that is equal to, here we can say multiplication also. Next step we can do that. 4 plus, here 4, no? Here it is 4. 4 into X. I am writing here 4X is equal to 4.8 plus X. Correct? It is 4 into X is equal to 4.8. 4.8. 4.8 plus X. Now 4X minus X. 4X minus X is equal to 4.8. You got the answer. What is 4X minus X? Of course, 4X minus X is 3. I am writing here, please. 3X is equal to 4.8. So X is equal to 4.8 by 3. 4.8 by 48 by 3. That is, what distance? 48 by 3. The answer. $16, I think so. Yes, 3 16s are 48. 16 meter. You got the answer. Correct? 48 by 3, 1 decimal place is there, so 1.6. 1.6 meter, my dear children. It is not easy. Look again, please. Great, it is done in the textbook also. Exactly correct. Page number, example 7, page number 92. Good. All of you, please. This question. Example 7. Page number 92. All of you, please check the textbook. It is there. And exercise also, one question is there. What I gave you, other 2 questions exactly same. I made that. Okay. A girl of height 90 centimeter. 90 we made 0.9 because 90 by 100. 0.9 meter because everything meter we are changing. Then speed is given, the time is given. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time, that we did. Speed is equal to 4.8. After that, exactly same. Similarity, A, similarity. Angle B is equal to angle B. Both the angles A, B, E and C, D, E, common. Then this one. This manipulation and what is the linear equation? 2 variable. Linear equation, 1 variable equation. Every equation. Okay. I think all of you understood. Okay then. Bye bye.